This is a 2019 Harley Davidson Roadglide Special. The color of this Roadglide Special is billiard blue. Just an awesome color, something a little different than your basic metallic colors. This bike is in excellent condition. Very low miles. It has only 3,075 original miles on the odometer. It's been nicely accessorized, ready for the highway. It's equipped with the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. So this bike has plenty of horsepower and torque to get you down the road, and power to pull out the pass and up and over the hills. Make a great boulevard bike or a great cross-country touring bike. Now from the factory it has what's called the black finish. And what that means is it has the black front end, the forks, black engine guard, black lights for the turn signals, nice custom black wheels from Harley Davidson, black handlebars, black controls, black exhaust, nice black painted inner fairing. It has ABS, cruise control, security system with the fob. It also comes equipped with the new GTS stereo system, which is all a big color touchscreen for AM, FM, Bluetooth. You can link your iPod or phone music into the system through a plug-in in this little glove box here that will also charge your device. GPS navigation. Six-gallon tank. This bike is in just excellent condition with very few miles for a 2019. Just a hair over 3,000. It has a detachable backrest for your passenger, the detachable luggage rack. Has the extended bags with the cutouts for the exhaust, and that is all factory standard. Now the mufflers have been changed with Chromeworks 4.5 inch mufflers. Great sound. You'll hear it run here in just a minute. Now one of the really nice accessories added to this bike is the sound system. It has really great Harley Davidson aftermarket speakers, all upgraded. And then in the saddlebag it has the Harley Davidson amp. So you will be able to hear your tunes as you're roaring down the highway. It does have the 6-speed transmission with the overdrive. Has the fixed fairing. Some people call it the shark nose. The advantage to this is it splits the wind a lot better than the batwing fairing. It's mounted to the frame instead of the handlebars, so when you're out in the wind and the turbulence from semis, you don't get all the input into the handlebars. The other thing it does is it makes the front end lighter. You don't have all the weight on the handlebars in the front end, which makes the bike very nimble. So if you're out ripping the twisties, big difference. you're in the market for a new Roadglide, take a good look at this Roadglide Special. It's a 2019, an awesome color, billiard blue, with a black factory finish. Very, very low miles with only 3,075 original miles. All the right accessories. Killer stereo. And it does play rock and roll, not just country. For information on how to put this beautiful Roadglide Special in your garage, call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.